Mother is sitting on the sofa. She looks at her phone. She is very shocked.
Oh my gosh! She reads the message slowly. She reads it again. It is important. The message is big. Mother feels nervous. She does not speak.
Father looks at Mother. He sees her face. He feels worried.
The children stop playing. They look at Mother. They feel confused.
Why, Mom? What's that?
It's a new message.
Let me see.
Mother stands up slowly. She holds her phone. She looks serious. Oh my gosh, look at this mess!
What? Let me see. Is it bad, Mommy Antoine?
Did we do it?
Yes, the whole room. We have to clean up now.
All right, let's get to it.
Children come close. They stand near Mother. They wait. The family stands together. No one speaks. It is quiet. What is it? Mother is quiet. She looks at the phone. She takes time. Children feel scared. They look at each other. They wait. Mother takes a deep breath. She closes her eyes. Then she opens them.
She looks at her family. She feels emotional. She wants to speak.
It is a big moment. Everyone is silent. No one moves.
We have news.
Family is confused.
I don't understand this.
What is it?
They do not understand.
What does it mean? So confused.
They look at her. Mother comes closer. He looks serious. He wants to know. What's going on? Let me see.
I don't know what to do.
Children hold hands. They feel nervous. They stay quiet. Mother holds the phone. Her hands are tight. She is thinking. Everyone is waiting. No one speaks. Time feels slow. The room is very quiet.
No sound is there. Only silence.
Tell us now. Tell us now.
Mother smiles a little. She looks soft. She feels ready. The children watch her. They do not move. They wait.
Everyone, look at this. See, it's amazing.
Whoa, cool.
Wow, I see it.
It's so pretty.
Told you.
They look very carefully. They read the message. They feel tense. They wait for words. They feel nervous. It is quiet.
We are moving to a new city.
The children are shocked. They open their eyes wide. They do not speak. Father is surprised. He looks at Mother. He is thinking.
The girl smiles slowly. She feels happy.
She looks excited. The boy feels happy. He smiles big. He feels excited.
The family hugs together. They feel love. They feel happy. The family stands together. They smile. They are happy.